autons. My dad's missing.
Oh, Jim, really? He's still gone, huh?
Don't worry, Jimmy. Ultra Lord will save the day.
Sheen, get in the ship. You know, I was thinking, Jim, that maybe
Blast!
Oh, jeez, what the heck, Jim?
Carl, while Sheen and I go search for my dad, you stay here and comfort my mom.
Sure, I mean, you're the genius and all, Jim.
Great. Don't let her out of your sight. Got a blast!
Whatever you say, Jimmy. Hey, Mrs. Neutron.
What if he never comes back?
Don't say that, Mrs. N. And besides, I'm here for you.
You're so sweet, Carl. And please, call me Judy.
Sure thing, Judy.
Carl.
It's okay, Judy. Carl's here. Naughty, naughty, naughty.